how to fix iCloud message sync paused on iPhone. So if you want to fix iCloud message sync paused on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to swipe down or up to open up your control center, then quickly toggle the airplane mode on and off. This refreshes your connection. Make sure you're on your Wi-Fi instead of your just cellular data, since syncing works best with a stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, you need to reopen the Messages app and see if it starts syncing. If it still doesn't work, then open up your Settings app and tap on your Apple ID, which will be on the top. Then go to the iCloud and check your iCloud storage. If it's full, your messages won't sync. You'll need to free up some space by deleting your old backups or upgrading your storage plan. Next, under your iCloud, you need to scroll down to Messages and make sure that it's turned on. Tap on Messages and make sure that it's turned on right here. You should also see the Sync Now option. You need to tap on it to restart the sync process. If syncing is still paused, you can go back into your settings and search for Messages in your application list. Scroll all the way down, tap on Apps, and under Apps, you need to search for Messages. Once you find your Messages, you need to tap on it, and here you will have a toggle for iMessage. So as you can see that in my case, it's turned off. You need to turn that on to reactivate it. If it's still stuck, then sign out of your iCloud and then sign back in, and your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.